Hello people, this is Izabella Karolina and I'm back with another crypto investing review and a tutorial, and today I am giving you my 1 month update with Intelligence Prime Capital. Time has been flying, but now before we jump right into it, I want you to go ahead and like this video, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, let's get into it. Let me tell you that IPC has been going absolutely phenomenal, better than I have even expected. And I want to jump into this and show you exactly what has been going on. Okay, did you know that this is a bot platform and they offer that IA bot called the Genius bot? Do you have the bot? You ain't got the bot? Let me tell you that you need this. You have to get the bot. I am going to tell you that this is fantastic. This bot gets a return for you every month up to 45%. And I know that we have heard that from other places that they also have bots, but I am telling you that this bot has performing absolutely amazing. The level of transparency that they are giving is incredible. I want to ask you something. Is anything perfect? No. Is anything last forever? No, right? But I want to tell you right now that this IPC is going absolutely amazing. So many people are winning with this, and I am so excited about it. Now I want to show you some things. First, I'm going to go right here to the subscriptions, and I'm going to show you what the bot has been doing for the last few months. This just in case that you weren't up on that. We are going to the My FX book. When we are going here down, we see that in February, it has given us a 32% of profit. In January, 34.84 profit. In December, 41.65 profit. In November, it was fantastic, 51.12 profit. And in October, it was very good also, 45.82 profit. Now I want to go back here to IPC and show you the Genius bot. Now we have more than 240 users here in this, only in this bot. The ROI is up to 45%. Why would you buy the other bots if the Genius bot is the most attractive and the most productive? Okay. Now let's get to the transaction, and this time to the withdrawal. Now it shows that I have $308.62. I will withdraw all, okay? We have to be careful that here to have a TRC20 wallet. My wallet is from Binance, $3 withdrawal fee, and I'm gonna take it out all. We have to do the verification code also. I'm gonna hit the send code and it should come immediately, pretty quickly. If it doesn't come to your email quickly, then you may want to refresh your IPC page. Withdrawal successful. Your withdrawal request has been processed successfully. So now we just have to wait for this withdrawal to be done. Now I go back to the dashboard and we can see that the USDT wallet is empty. So I just have to wait. Hello, today I am back to show you my proof of the withdrawal. As you remember, in the 7th of March, I have withdrawn $308. With the commissions, I have received $305. Now I want to show you that this was on 7th March, and on the 9th of March, in less than 48 hours, I have received an email that my deposit is now available in your Binance account. Also, I want to check you here. This is my Binance account. And if we go down, here it is in the 9th of March. Here is the proof that I have received. $305 completed. This is the proof that IP Capital withdrawal works if you know, of course, how to do your withdrawal properly. This is all I have for this video now. If you would like to sign up Intelligence Prime Capital, you can find the registration link below in the description or ask for it from the person who sent you this video. To register, watch the following video to see step by step what to do. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell button so you get notified when I upload the new video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.